In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check or test your internet speed. So if you want to know how fast or slow your internet is, then this video should help you. At the moment, I'm using Ethernet and you can see here, and this is the internet connection I want us to check. So to do so, just go and open any browser. So I'll open my Firefox browser. You can use any browser for this. Then look for the website called fast.com. Here it is. And this website will go ahead and pick up your internet speed in real time. As you can see, the test is on. And here we have the final result. So the current speed of my internet is 78 Mbps or 78 megabytes per second. So that is the meaning of Mbps. From here, we can still check other parameters such as the upload and the download speed. So to find the upload and download speed of your internet, just click on show more information here. And if we click on it, so this is the upload and the download strength of my internet currently. And when we talk of speed, you can look at this, that the average upload speed that I have is 84 Mbps or 84 megabytes per second. So that is my current upload speed, meaning whenever I try to upload any document or any file, it will be uploading at this average speed. And you can see also other parameters of latency on your internet, such as the unloaded, we have here 6 seconds, and loaded, we have 392 seconds. So that's how you check your internet speed using fast.com. You can refresh this and see the latest internet speed at any moment. And you can say here it is. So if you just want to refresh it and get the latest, maybe you want to see if there is any change, you can just tap on this and then it will go ahead and test your internet afresh. If this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.